So as soon as you say that, you want me to drop the beat?
Yeah, just drop it.
Ladies and gentlemen, coming to the stage is the future of hip-hop music.
It's your boy.
So everybody in the house, make some noise for Cam.
Come on. Yeah, brother, I can make some noise. Yeah, I'll bring it back light. Come on. I'll bring it back light. Come on. I'll bring it back light. I'll bring it back light. Oh, wait a minute, hold up. Yeah. Oh, wait a minute, hold up. Yeah. I'll bring it back light. Yeah, I'm going crazy. You know I like a motor, so they calling me baby, and I fly young kid, steady looking for a lady that's gonna back it up until I can't take it. And over here, you know everything I want it to. Take your toe, put your knees how I want it to. You don't work it out, show me that you want it. You moving like Rihanna, I'm a Chris Brown, run it like. Go on, take a look. The way you do it, so you're done this before. Now how you do it, yeah, we gotta know. So that way we can do it, when we do it on the floor. I'll bring it back like. Oh, wait a minute, hold up. Yeah. Oh, wait a minute, hold up. Yeah. I'll bring it back like. Shaking that body, I like the way you rock. Life for the after party, I'm about to make it stop. Shawty is so excited, she give me what she got now. I'm going.